How to grow peace lilies cutting in water. Peace lily growing in a pot with a betta fish. At that point you've seen a curiosity plant. Most peace lilies grow in soil and get a kick out of the chance to nearly go totally dry between waterings. A peace lily that is grown in water is one that has adjusted to an outrageous growing condition by developing different tiny roots that feed the plant, instead of bigger roots for taking supplements from the dirt. Lilies that are grown in water have a tendency to be shorter-lived than their dirt-growing cousins. Stage 1. Fill your glass container with lukewarm refined water. Never utilize tap water, on the grounds that the chlorine, fluoride or hard water minerals that might be in it will hurt the plant. Stage 2. Cut an opening in the focal point of the plastic stopper to hold your peace lily set up at the mouth of your glass container. Stage 3. Expel your peace lily from the container that you acquired it in. Examine the roots of rotor harm and expel these roots with a couple of garden shears. Stage 4. Delicately insert the peace lily into the plastic stopper and place the plant's underlying foundations into the glass container. Check to guarantee that the roots are totally submerged in the water. Stage 5. Feed the plant with a couple of drops of fluid compost once at regular intervals. Stage 6. Change the water in your peace lily once at regular intervals. Never enable the roots to be out of the water or dry out. This will harm them. Stage 7. Place your lily out of direct daylight. Peace lilies love indirect daylight and will even flourish in homes or workplaces where minimal light is available. Subscribe Gardening Story channel, click bell icon to see new upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.